Today, we will learn the sound of S and A. A says, ah.
Ah.
Repeat after me. Say, ah. Listen as I say the name and the beginning sound of each picture. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Arrow. A. Axe. A. Anchor. A. Astronaut.
Very good, Globalians!